Do you want to make money taking surveys? Then stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to tell you how you can make money taking surveys with Pinecone Research. So what is Pinecone Research? So Pinecone Research is a top trusted survey panel that helps to improve products over their lifespan. They survey potential customers, get their feedback on the products, and use that feedback to improve the products. Like a lot of survey sites, on Pinecone Research, you take surveys, you earn points, and you can redeem those points for money. Each survey is worth a minimum of 300 points, so that means $3. That's a lot of money for a survey. You can get paid via PayPal, via check, and you could redeem your points to get gift cards. When you finish your first survey, you will automatically get a check worth 300 points, which is $3, straight to your mailing address that you have on your profile. Isn't that awesome? Pinecone Research is a great way to provide your feedback, to improve products, and to earn cash. You can also learn about products before they hit the market and influence which products hit the stores, which is pretty cool. In this way, you are an influencer, which is awesome. If you want to become a part of Pinecone Research, you have to get an invite link. So in my description, I'm going to put a link where you can click there and you can register for Pinecone Research. Not everybody will be eligible. They look for a certain demographic. So see if you can go to the site, register with your information, and see if you're eligible. If you are, fantastic. If not, don't get discouraged, because there are tons of survey sites out there that you can make money and help improve products. Although Pinecone Research is a great option to make money online, there are much better ways to make more sustainable and greater amounts of money. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. So if you want to make 6 to 7 figures online and learn from the best marketing coaches in the business, then click the link above or in my description below. Sign up for my email list, and I'll send you the best training on the market to help you start making money online in no time. I hope you liked this content. If you did, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much for listening. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.